Ah, those pesky word problems. Listen to this. A real estate agent received a commission of $10,800 for selling our house at $120,000. We're asked to find what percentage of selling price was his commission. Well, this week, let's do a Q&A section on how to solve word problems. This way, using a process, you can both save time and frustration. Let's get to it.
Is there a general process for solving word problems?
The process is actually pretty simple. A word problem is difficult because, a couple of things. What's going to make it easy is you think of it as a translation. We're going to grab the last sentence. We're going to write it out. Okay, so the process is really this. You're going to go to the last sentence where all the meat is. You're going to grab the word what becomes X. That's our variable. Percent, you're going to literally translate each word into a mathematical symbol, and that's where we're going to solve this one. So what percent off means multiplication. Selling price, I'll let you put it in. What do you think the selling price reading the thing is?
The selling price is $120,000.
Awesome. So I'm going to put $120,000 right under selling price. You can write it in if you want.
All right. I'm going to write it in. Okay.
Oh, good enough. Okay. The word was is our equal sign. And what's the commission then?
Commission is $10,800.
Okay, so now changing my pen color over here, you see how we dragged this last sentence where we had, let's see, pick another pink color, where we had into a mathematical equation. We have X percent multiply 120,000, I'll put the K back into 1,000, is equal to 10,800. Now, all we have to do is isolate the X. Any idea how we're going to isolate the X?
Move the numbers to the other side.
Actually, better yet, in math, there is a principle called doing the opposite. If the multiplication is where we started with, to isolate X by itself, we're going to do opposite of multiplication, which is division. Since math is a fair game, we're going to divide on both sides. So 12,000 on this side. This one cancels, as we can see. X percent is left by itself. And then here's our equal sign. And using your calculator, what do you have? 10,800 divided by 120,000. What do you have?
When I punch it in, I get 9.
9, you mean with a decimal?
0.09, yes.
Or 9. It's a 9%, right?
Yeah.
So let's do a quick review. In the process of solving, it's really about percent. Okay. It's really about the last sentence. Math problem, word problem, any word problem you're trying to solve. Let's pick a green color. It's really about the last sentence. And you drag the last sentence out. That's where all the equation is. If you can translate the last sentence into an equation, you got 90% of the problem done. Well, I hope this helps. Any other questions I can help with?
So it doesn't matter what the word problem is about, you just look for those keywords?
Yes. I always think as a translation problem. Word problem equal to translation problem. That has a couple of advantages because then you sidestep the headaches that kids experience when you mention those two words, word problems. You think of translation problem, then it becomes a game and it's fun.
Okay, that's all questions I have.
Awesome. Until next week. Thank you. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording live from Tucson, Arizona. Please join our community. Comment, share, and send your questions in. Each week, I'll share the tips and insights I gained while helping other families just like yours. Together, we can bring that big math smile back to you kids. Thanks for watching.